Right, good. Hello, welcome. So on Monday we did this work, favourite work. I've written all the information on the board for you. When we ask a question, what is your favourite chocolate, for instance? You could say, my favourite chocolate is Kit Kat, right? Kit Kat. Everyone loves Kit Kat. But remember, when we're asking the third person questions for if I'm asking about John or if I'm asking about Diane or Diana, we're using what is his or her favourite. So I would say to you, what is his favourite chocolate? I'm looking at you and I want you to tell me what is his favourite chocolate. And then we say, his favourite chocolate is Kit Kat. And then when we ask about Diana, we say, what is her favourite chocolate? I ask you, what is her favourite chocolate? And then you say, her favourite chocolate is Kit Kat. But we need to really listen to each other to get the information, okay? Also remember, sometimes we ask about things. What is your favourite food? What is your favourite chocolate? What is your favourite city? These are things, these are objects, these are nouns. But sometimes we ask, who is your favourite? And this who is for a person or for people. Like we'd say, who is your favourite actor? My favourite actor is Johnny Depp. Who is your favourite footballer? My favourite footballer is Rodriguez, or whatever their names are, I don't know. But just remember, then we'd say, who is his favourite footballer? His favourite footballer is Rodriguez. Who is her favourite actress? Her favourite actress is... I've forgotten everybody now. Her favourite actress is... It's gone. Every name is gone. Julia Roberts. Thank you. Good.